Okay, so what we're gonna do now is divide rational, because I'm not gonna say radical in this video, rational expressions. So first of all, as we all know, we have to first, because we are dividing two different fractions, not factions, this isn't divergent, is to keep, change, flip like I taught in the last video. So we are going to keep the first one, which is x squared minus x, 6, 4, 6, 3. Sorry, I start saying weird things when I'm writing this down. 3 is x plus 2. Let's make sure I wrote that right, because I don't want to give you the wrong answers. So now we're going to factor this out. So this would be x minus 3, x plus 2, because that equals negative 6, and then when you FOIL, you get negative x. And to factor that out, you can factor out a 2 and x3 to get x minus 3. And then for this, you just leave it the same. And now you can choose whatever you want. You can either factor out these first by just dividing and not looking at that yet. So I guess we could just go into that because we're going to do both. We're going to both cancel out from here to here and cross multiplying. So let's cancel out the x minus 3, and then by cross multiplying, because we can do that, we can cancel out these 2, and then we can get 4x3 over 2x3. So once we do that, we have our x cubed on both sides, so we can simplify that, because that equals 1. And we could also simplify the 4 divided by 2, because when we divide 4 and 2, we get 2. So our final answer with the extraneous part of the answer is x. It does not equal 3, because if we were to plug that in to here, it would be 3 minus 3, and we would get 0. And then if we multiply, or if we go, if we do that here, we would then get 0 on the bottom, and we can't divide the 0. If we do it up here, if we plug in the 0, up here we'd get a 0 on the bottom, and then that would be unidentified, defined, not unidentified. This is both the same thing. And do the same for negative 2, because again, if we plug that in, it wouldn't work for this one here. And an x does not equal 0, because we canceled out these two x's. Yay! So I'll check my answers and see if I made any mistakes. And so I ended up getting the correct answer right here. So yeah. Hope this helped!